Hey everybody, it's Vicky with Dementia with Grace, and I have a special video today because, the other day when I was talking about activities, I've been talking about fidgeting on all of these ABCs of Dementia FAQ videos, and I had lost my baby doll. So I ordered a new baby doll from Amazon, and I'm going to unbox it today. And I also, while I was having her shipped to me, I ordered one of the little stuffed animals, a little elephant. And so I'm going to introduce you to both of these wonderful, therapeutic miracle workers. I have used baby doll therapy and stuffed animal therapy for years and years, and I have discovered this is the baby doll that I suggest to everyone. It's the best one for the money that I think, and I will tell you why I think she's the best. And this elephant has a little special quirk too, and I want to show you about this elephant. I know that baby doll therapy and stuffed animal therapy absolutely can make a tremendous difference in your person with dementia. It absolutely can. It can check some boxes, it can meet some needs, and all of that. So let's get to it, okay? The first thing that I'm going to open, and this came in a little stuffed bag like this from Amazon, inside of a plastic bag like this, is this little elephant. And she's so cute. Look at her. She is about 3 pounds. She's fully stuffed. See how full she is? She's so full. And look at that little tail. Oh my goodness. And that big, I got an elephant because I am Roll Tide, Alabama. And so I knew that I wanted this. But they have alligators, and they have monkeys, and they have bears, and they have all kinds of things. And she's just the best. She can be frozen to use as a cold pack. She can be heated in the microwave to use as a warming pack, or she can just be used exactly how she is right here. She feels so good. If you wanted to put her on a shoulder and do some little tricks with her, if you wanted to rock her, that's sweet. There's lots of things to pull on: the ears, the nose, the little feet. The bow is velvet, and it is attached, so you can't pull it off. I think it's perfect. There's no rough edges. The little eyes, there are little bitty eyes, but they're small enough to swallow. If they were to bite them and get the eye off, it's not going to be something that could choke them. Your mileage may vary. I have to say that. There's no liability here. But the thing that I think is so sweet about her is that she is stuffed with eucalyptus. Let me see what it says. It has it on here. Filled with all new American ingredients: lavender, thyme, peppermint, rosebud, hyssop, eucalyptus, lemon balm, rosemary, orange peel, and flaxseed. And so she smells so good. She's a little strong, but as I've sat her out today, she's gotten better. So it's not an overpowering thing, and it probably could be a soothing agent too. I'm naming her Ellie for elephant. Ellie. There's her big ears. I just love her, and I think that your person with dementia would think she's so sweet. And there's just lots. There's just this is what they do. I'm that way. I'm very tactile, right? So I understand it. I understand being able to, feel something, have the weight of it in your arms, to be able to manipulate the little extra parts, the little things, all of that. It makes a big difference. So this is the elephant, and I will put it down below, the link, the Amazon link down below, how I ordered it. It's made by Toasty. It says use a damp cloth and mild soap to surface wash the plush. Do not immerse in water or machine wash, because she's got all that good smelling stuff inside her, right? So you can't wash her in the washing machine, but you can spot clean her. And so, that might be an option for you. Thank you, Ellie. Okay, let's see. Let's sit Ellie up here. Oh, thank you, Ellie. Now, here is the baby doll. and it's a big, big, beautiful box. Look at that box. Look at that beautiful box. And it's got a beautiful baby doll in it. I've already looked. I snuck and looked. Here she is. Here she is. Say hello, everybody. Say hello, everybody. My name is Safina. That's what my mama is going to call me. So she is a beautiful baby doll. And she closes her eyes. Can you see that her eyes close and they open? And she has a pink blanket and a pink outfit on. But let me tell you, she's not anatomically correct. So this could be a little boy baby or a little girl baby. Either way, deciding it only depends on how you decide to dress the baby. If it was dressed in all blue, it would absolutely, you could say that it was a boy baby doll. Keep it in all the pink, and it will be a girl baby doll. Put it in green or yellow, and it could be either one, depending on what your person needs, right? So, little feet. Can you see her? Good. Little feet, little hands, a little mouth that is open just a little bit so you could give it bites of food, which absolutely happens, and that's okay because there's no way for it to get down in the baby doll and spoil. She has a closed inside mouth, so that is listen, I've done this for years. I've thought of all these things. You can just order this baby doll and you'll have the right one, I'm telling you, because I've done the trial and error on these baby dolls. She is completely vinyl. Her whole body is vinyl, including her hair. So that she has, it looks like hair, but there's no hair to get matted. There's no hair to cut. There's, nothing like that. She's just a sweet, sweet baby doll. This is attached, so it can't get lost, which I think is very nice. And she's a fully vinyl baby doll. Let me tell you what's good about that. You will want to have a totally vinyl baby doll if you can. That way the baby can go into the bath, into the shower. If you have a person who is resisting care, resisting bathing, I guarantee you let them take a baby into the bath with you and they will bathe the baby. Just say, listen, let's get in the shower. You bathe your baby, I'm going to bathe you. Something like that, and let them concentrate on the baby. Even if they are going to hit you, they're not going to, and y'all know what I'm talking about. If you haven't bathed a resisting person yet, then you might not realize that all of a sudden they can hit you. Well, what happens when they have a baby doll? They're not very well going to lay their baby doll down and hit you. So the resistance, the fighting, all of that gets a lot better when they have a baby to take care of. They're not going to lay this baby down in the water and hit you. People would say before, when I would encourage them to use baby doll therapy, they would say, they'll just hit me with the baby doll. No, they don't. They tend to believe that there is some semblance of reality here in this baby. They don't usually see it as a baby doll. They see it as their baby. And yes, I know some of you professional caregivers will ask me, don't they get in fights over their baby doll? I don't find that to be the case if everybody that needs a baby doll has a baby doll. She's just precious. She's just precious. And she's, just right to pat and to burp and to, and just to love and just to, holding. She weighs about 3 pounds. Same as the elephant over here. And it's just the right size. Just the right size, I believe. She's so sweet. And she's, got a really good response from me when I handed her to Phil at my husband when he came home for lunch. And he was like, oh my goodness, she's so pretty. Everybody just tends to want to hold her hand and just look at her and talk to her and tickle her toes. And I mean, you could do the whole 9 yards. You could have her clothes, you could have her diapers, you could have all of the things for her and allow your person to really take care of her. Or you could just use her like this. And I find that this is enough sometimes. So I just wanted to hop on here and tell you all about both of these two products. I believe, they are worth every penny. Absolutely every penny. This baby is about $40. They go on the way. I mean, you can buy a $500 baby doll, one of those reborn baby dolls that really, really, really look real. And all of that, but you don't need to. I have found that I have used this particular baby, this exact baby, well, not this exact baby, she just came to me today, but this item I have used dozens of times, and it absolutely makes for a wonderful baby doll. It does. She has her own little blanket. Now this blanket is a little, it's not the best. You could get her a real baby blanket, a bigger baby blanket, and I think that would be great. But just holding her and loving her, she can sit up, her arms can go up and down. She's wide awake right there, or she's asleep right there, and she could be having her bottle. It just wonderful. Let me tell you why baby dolls and stuffed animals work right quick, and then we'll talk a little bit about how to subscribe to this channel and get all these goodies and some new things I'm going to do. There is a concept, a theory called Maslow's hierarchy of needs, and it is I have it here, but it's here it is on my clipboard, and I will post a link to this down in the description. But love and belonging, and you see they're holding a baby doll right there, is right in the middle of our needs. We have our breathing, food, shelter, sex, safety, having resources, safety of body, safety of home, all of those things. And then love and belonging is right there. It's one of the basic needs. And people who have been mothers, have been fathers, and in their mind, they are regressing back to when, they don't have a 40-year-old child. They have a baby. Mothers absolutely look for their babies. And so you can have a baby like this and make a big impact on somebody. You can have a stuffed animal like either one of these and make an impact on somebody. It's a miracle. It really is when you see it in practice. And you can watch, there's other videos here on YouTube, where you can watch people being in receipt of their baby doll, all of that. It's transformative to watch. I think it's really, really good. Okay, so now is my announcement. We've been doing videos on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, and we're absolutely going to keep those up, but we're going to add Tuesday and Thursday. I just love making these videos. I have lots of ideas. I have lots of content topics, and I have more than enough for 3 days a week, so I'm going to do 5 days a week. Tuesday is going to be our unboxing, product reviews, book reports, book reviews of all the books that I enjoy and have helped me in my practice. Products like this that I suggest for people. If I can show you it live, I absolutely will, but I definitely will, talk about what things I think are useful. And then on Thursdays, I do a Thursday night live every Thursday night at 8 o'clock Central over on Facebook, on my Facebook page, The Dementia with Grace Show. I am going to starting tonight. This has actually been filmed on Thursday. So starting tonight, I am going to upload that video to YouTube when I get done with it on Facebook, unedited, so you will be able to see what we talked about. There might be some trending topics, I don't know, but anyway, I'm so excited about this channel. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that you got some information that you can use. Maybe you can check out this baby doll. I'll put the link to the baby doll and the stuffed animals down below. Maybe you can find something that you think will be engaging for your person with dementia. If you have any questions, please leave them down below. I'm very responsive to the comments. I monitor the comments, and so I get an email every time I get a comment, so I try to get right in here and answer whatever questions you have. If you haven't already subscribed, please consider subscribing. There's just a button down here. You hit subscribe, and there's a little bell. And the bell will, if you hit the bell will let you know, it gets you in the loop to get an email or a text or something every time I post a new video, so that you don't miss out on any of this good information. Okay? Great. Thank you so much for your time. I appreciate it. And if you have any ideas, if there's something that you want me to look at, if you want me to answer some questions, make a video on something, put it down below and I'll consider it. I'll put it in my list, okay? All right, I got to go update our channel art to say that we're going to be on YouTube Monday through Friday. I'm so excited. All right, I'll talk to y'all later. Love y'all. Bye. Mwah. Say bye, Safina. Bye-bye.